Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a kawaii ice cream. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, light brown, dark brown, yellow, and pink. This drawing is 27 squares tall and 15 squares wide. We start with the black color and skip 5 squares from left to right. In square number 6, mark 4 horizontally. Bottom left, mark 2 horizontally. Bottom left 1. Bottom left 2 vertically. Bottom left 13 vertically. Bottom right 2 diagonally. Bottom right 9 horizontally. On this line, count 3 from left to right and below mark 5 vertically. Bottom right 3 horizontally. Top right 5 vertically. From this square, bottom right 2 diagonally. Bottom right 2 horizontally. Bottom right 1. Bottom right 13 vertically. Bottom left 2 diagonally. And now we'll color all the squares we just marked. I want to invite you to join the Pixeler Club. To do that, all you need to do is subscribe and activate the notification bell, and that's it. You're now part of our family. Now take the dark brown color and mark 3 vertically. Bottom right 2 vertically. Bottom right 1. Top right 4 vertically. Top right 1. Bottom right 2 vertically. Bottom right 1. top right 3 vertically, top right 1, bottom right 5 vertically, here mark 3 vertically, on this line count 2 from bottom to top, and to the left mark 1, bottom left 4 vertically, and let's color all these parts. In the top corner you'll find a link to the tutorial of this drawing in Spanish. We continue with the black color. From this square, skip 3 squares down and mark 2 vertically. From this square, go 1 to the left. From here, skip 2 squares down and mark 2 vertically. From this square, 1 to the left. And color. Take the pink color and from this square, mark 2 squares horizontally downwards. From this square, again 2 horizontally down. And color. Take the black color again, and from this square, skip 2 squares to the right and mark 1. Bottom right 1. Top right 1. And color. Let's continue with the yellow color. From this square, top left 1. Top right 1. From this square, top left 1. Top right 1. And now color all these parts. In the top corner you'll find a link to my other pixel art drawing channel, where you'll find over 1,000 videos, all with subtitles translated into your language. Now we take the light brown color and color this whole area. And this is how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. And if you're made it to this part of the video, tell me what's your favorite ice cream flavor. Mine is chocolate. Thank you so much, Pixelados, for being here in another video. I'm sending you a kiss, a big hug full of love from a pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!